Hey there. I'm super excited that we're opening a new space called the Stress Less Space here in Philly at 16th and Walnut. And part of the things members get is access to our loving gesture trainings every month. And these trainings are basically here to help you, encourage you, and inspire you to take care of the number one person in your life. And that number one person is you, right? And so last week, I actually had hosted an event in my personal art studio, and we talked about what this metaphor, right, of planting seeds. And I think each and every one of us are seeds, right? There's so much potential in that. But we're just like plants. We need sun and we need water. We need to be nurtured. And so, next time you feel like you're going through a rough time or you're just going through life, let's think about how can we nurture ourselves?